Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find appearance settings on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here you'll find as you see appearance settings. You can manage it as you want, and that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.